Respected dignitaries, teachers, and dear students, we welcome you to National Youth Day function with a warm heart. We are truly blessed with your esteemed presence. We are gathered here to celebrate Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary.
Yes, you are absolutely right. This is a day of youth and it is a day of celebration and success. And to double the joy of the day, we are graced by the presence of great personalities. Please have a big round of applause for our management, Mr. Satyaprakash sir, who has done tremendous work in the field of education. Along with him, please welcome our Vice Principal ma'am, Miss Preeti ma'am, which is really a guiding staff.
Now, without making any delay, I would like to call upon our Honorable Mr. Satyaprakash sir to come and light the lamp. But the achievement exposed them. As we all know that before starting any program, we always pray to God. So let's start this special day with a prayer to God.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम
आदरणीय प्रबंधक महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य जी, उप प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण, आप सभी को मेरी ओर से सुप्रभात और युवा दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष युवा दिवस पर कुछ प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि प्रत्येक वर्ष 12 जनवरी को स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का जन्म दिवस राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस रूप में हम सब मनाते हैं। इसका प्रमुख कारण उनका दर्शन, सिद्धांत, अलौकिक विचार, उनके आदर्श हैं, जिनका उन्होंने स्वयं पालन किया और भारत के साथ साथ अन्य देशों में भी स्थापित किया। उनके ये विचार और आदर्श युवाओं में नई शक्ति और ऊर्जा का संचार कर सकते हैं। उठो जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक मंजिल ना मिल जाए। उठो जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक मंजिल ना प्राप्त हो जाए का संदेश देने वाले युवाओं के प्रेरणा स्रोत, समाज सुधारक, युवा युग गुरु स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का जन्म 12 जनवरी 1863 को कोलकाता में हुआ था। किसी भी देश की युवा उसका भविष्य है। उन्हीं के हाथों में देश की उन्नति की बागडोर होती है। आज जहां भ्रष्टाचार, बुराई, अपराध का बोलबाला है, जो देश को अंदर ही अंदर खोखला कर रहे हैं, ऐसे में देश की युवा शक्ति ही उन्हें जागृत कर सकती है। जगत में बड़ी बड़ी विजय जातियाँ हो चुकी हैं, हम भी महान विजेता रह चुके हैं। हमारी विजय गाथा महान सम्राट अशोक ने धर्म और आध्यात्मिकता की ही विजय गाथा बताई है। स्वामी जी ने युवाओं से अहम की भावना को खत्म करने का उपदेश दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि यदि तुम स्वयं ही नेता के रूप में खड़े हो जाओगे तो तुम्हारी मदद करने कोई नहीं आएगा। यदि सफल होना चाहते हो तो पहले ही अहम का नाश कर डालो। अब मैं अभिषेक पटेल अपनी वाणी को विराम देते हुए बस इतना कहूँगा, जितना बड़ा संघर्ष होगा उतनी ही जीत शानदार होगी। धन्यवाद।
Myself Varsha Nayak and I am from 11th Science. As you know that today we are celebrating National Youth Day, so I am going to recite a poem, Song of Youth. As a young citizen of India, armed with technology, knowledge and love for my nation, I realize small aim is crime. I will work and sweat for a great vision, the vision of transforming India into developed nation. Powered by economic strength with value system, I am one of the citizen of the billion. Only the vision will ignite this billion soul. It has entered into me. The ignite compared to any resource is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth and under the earth. I will keep the lamp of knowledge burning to achieve the vision, develop India. I pray the Almighty, may the divine peace with beauty enter into our people. Happiness and good health blossom in our body, mind and soul. Thank you.
दुबे और मैं गणेश दुबे, हम सब आप सभी के सामने आज के इस पावन दिवस पर एक कविता की पंक्ति छोटी सी प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं कि कथानक व्याकरण समझे तो सुरभित छंद हो जाए। कथानक व्याकरण समझे तो सुरभित छंद हो जाए। हमारे देश में फिर से सुखद मकरंद हो जाए। हमारे देश में फिर से सुखद मकरंद हो जाए। मेरे ईश्वर मेरे दाता ये कविता मांगती तुझसे, युवा पीढ़ी संभल करके विवेकानंद हो जाए। युवा पीढ़ी संभल करके विवेकानंद हो जाए। धन्यवाद।
I am Anjani Gupta from class 9B. Today I am going to recite you a poem. We are walking hand in hand while creating our future. So keep your head up, this is our holiday. Never stop and never give up. Laziness is forbidden for us. So keep on dreaming and make your dreams come true. We are the light of peace and hope. We will beat the darkness because we are the youth. Because we are the youth. Thank you.
All the dignitaries, teachers and students present here. Myself, Singhani Bipin from class 11 Science. Today, we all are gathered here for the celebration of National Youth Day. It is celebrated on 12 January every year. It is the birth anniversary of a great personality, Swami Vivekananda. We all know that youth is the symbol of power and innovation. Youth has the potential, zest and energy to uplift the country from its degeneration. The country's future is lying in the hands of youth. It is of utmost importance to motivate the young generation to strive for excellence, and this teaching and preaching was done by none other than Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, born on 12 January 1863, was a Hindu monk. He had represented India in the first Parliament of Religion that was held in Chicago in 1895. He was a man of principles. He had broken certain stereotypes of our society. He believed that ethics was nothing but a code of conduct that helps a man to be a good citizen. According to him, a person becomes pure only because of its heart, because purity is our real nature. He blended religion with nationalism. Every religion offers a pathway to eternal supreme knowledge, supreme happiness, and supreme freedom. He laid the greatest emphasis on education for the regeneration of our motherland. According to him, a nation can only become advanced when education is spread among the masses. He said that our process of education should motivate our youth to manifest their innate knowledge and power. He believed that if our youth is determined, then nothing is impossible for them to achieve in this world. He urged the youth to have dedication to attain the success. He called upon the youth to not only build up their mental energies but their physical one as well. He wanted muscles of iron as well as nerves of steel. He is known all over the world for his philosophies and principles. Because of this, his birth anniversary is celebrated as National Youth Day. He paved the way for the success of our youth. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good morning to all. It gave me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event. Dignitaries assembled here. I would like to thank Priti Ma'am, Satya Prakash Sir, Sanjivita ma'am, participants, and but not least students who make this event a great successful. I would like to thank Mahendra sir, Robin sir, and non-teaching staff also who make the efforts to successful of the event. Once again, I would like to thank one and all who present here and thank you.
चंचल नर मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य